Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Chikuwa Isobeage. Isobeage is basically tempura, but literally translate oceanside fries. So we add some aonoli, seaweed flakes into the batter to add the nice ocean flavor to it. It's very easy to make. Maybe finding aonoli seaweed flakes is the most difficult part of the dish. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Chikuwa Isobeage, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 8 Chikuwa fish cakes, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon potato starch or cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons aonoli seaweed flakes. I'm going to cut Chikuwa into half. So this is Chikuwa fish cake and it has hole inside. Let's cut it into half this way. If you don't cut it like this, the tempura batter will go inside the hole and remain uncooked. So make sure to cut it like this. And tempura batter. 1 teaspoon of potato starch, 2 tablespoons of aonoli seaweed flakes into the bowl. And it's 1 cup of flour, so I'm adding 1 cup of cold water. Give it a quick mix. Make sure not to overmix it. Overmixing will bring out the gluten from the flour and it will make the batter really sticky. So this is good enough. It's still lumpy, but this is just good enough. I'm heating up some vegetable oil, canola oil to be precise, over medium to medium-high heat. And I'm going to check the temperature by dropping a little bit of tempura batter into the oil. If it hits the bottom and comes up immediately, just like it did, it's a perfect temperature. So chikuwa into the batter. Make sure it's all coated and then into the oil. And just fry them for 1 minute on each side. Looks good, so let's take them out. Before you move on to the next batch, make sure to remove the bits. Like this. Serve them on the plate. And Chikuwa Isobeage is ready to go. Time for the tasting. As I said, it's a type of tempura, so you can of course have it with tempura dipping sauce, but I like to have it simply with salt. So let's put a little bit of salt here. And itadakimasu. The flavor of aonoli seaweed flakes is so good. I do feel like I'm having this at Oceanside. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Chikuwa Isobeage is the main dish, so it goes here. Plain rice here and vegetable miso soup here. I think I want to have a little more protein, so let's have broccoli and egg salad for one of the side dishes. For the other side dish, I normally have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!